Utie Oha Echi Ponkno Needs FM.
Na pressure ben na mosusu se mo be mount ya wo yisi sui.
Oh, sir, unim sir, wo my Ghana mu no. Ye wo emra, yamra kunyi 1992 constitution. Ye di bu o my no. So hwemu ama Ghana fu nyina na nipa wo Ghana nyina fa hu die se wo bu nyi bibi so na pese o ye kire na pese o tie tua otimi ye. Nti obi a constitutional right is that we demonstrate and be involved in any protest action, going through the legally laid down procedures to press home his or her demands. Yeah, you say Ghana register ya what you say no. I want to say a winning kekebia a dimu a papa na a dia ebo adwuma kama ya bo ka bebre free 2016 ne be ya kra no sorry man for calculation my ya sim say ya bo system na woka $60 million in the last 3 years say ya this year no na ya kra no ama na ya kama anti pempren a yatinye CC na kra na ebo adwuma kame na say ya dia to assembly election ama na bo adwuma don't go straight so far 99.4%. Na say kwa akoto atwene ni asanso aboka over $150 million e di akoye fofora na sika seye o my Ghana so ka say ye wonso ade o manfo wa mochiri mu pa enne okoya ya rehe bia empakure bi ni ho ayarefo tuta form ayasabi ana wa na kwa den so the free bibi no bear syndrome obeko na apemfo ne nkoda nkete de da form e kobi moja ndi keka ho ye free ni bibiri because of all these health infrastructural challenges and then yakwan to us say across the country kokwe for complaining adava for complaining obi e complaining kwan ne nye kayisuku hu nsem ene bibi atape ne secondary school yi Ibuni tot as a doom zone because the dear by a friend a double track. A banzi will need to go to PCR diamond at them as she and dear. Intino. Sukuno crano. Yaben is a prison for na. Corano bako than another co day, each in our. Nina a how for Nina a hankoda. O Maya, you woman, mobily memoir, memoir, and Maba will. A pay to Momunia, you man. Ubi a school 10 years. Application and that's why you're quite a for near you man yet. Because you see, can you? And so will register a papa, a boy, what you are told assembly elections, and saying I heard you 99.4%, 2012, what they are told by your man Penny Mahama, Bibiak also come 2016, they are told by Nanado. I'm on no other born once for him, say, oh, we by over 1 million votes. And TNT. And even after 2016, Yabo Hoka over $60 million every Yan Tuni Nanton say a quack for a bravo from a fast would be anya day. In so. Yet the air can say Yan Penny, electoral commission, and more on my Ghana cat, and say Sika, and to say a Japadi in Anton today. It was much and once and crack. If you more. Man, 40 years to 18 on Babon, say because they win, has a better register. She should more my yet say. If you more my yet say. If you didn't be crowd of Armenia, 2018 year to Toya, I am monochian. You knew Suda. If you didn't be over, you used to back up, you are used to the music. So, a laptops and a devices now idea registration in the account. So I didn't see. And if the monosa, you didn't know music and Nakoto. Your man requires a deeper career. Take your more paid DNT or more funty. Young to self feeding in Antumu. Nayas are some cut off from. ye ka say the kita yin prinprin the yenim say ho tio yenim say boy adwuma ho yenim say ye papa isi fo ankasa je atum say ye credible na de omo say ye mo kanko ye ye betimi akasi su PS su tam prinprin a ye ka say ye papa ye be wie no na ye credible to say the nya in 2012 2016 ene na say ye go so me atwa me to assembly election ya na yentumi nka so ohwe sa sika sani amache chirimu ene the wo currently boy adwuma na we had the fact say you wrote 2020 mwawie emre ni ho afi we there was opposition party and all the political parties you start a campaign so ho emre aka ni so na afi na yisi say obaba be choose contract companies contractors are omodi afidi for beba na contractors ne dia afidi for na ba na o ma be train easy for ama easy for so about training political party reps across the country. Even almost at their training political party reps at the national level. Mumia Kwakwa could train agents, your MPP for 60,000 each across the country. And then your registration. About registration, home months on deduplication, your education, about your provisional register, about your exhibition. Stand about your final register, the abattoir badia. Ebema nyama na bobo yenso ama ya hwe ya na isti no e de abato ho nhye ye na beto atopre ye be ye nyama preka ebe 2020 no bekwa ko bi register mu ye dey we ipado dozi omudini ipado dozi omudimi nto aba na the unnecessary tension unnecessary court cases ni unnecessary ntokwa e na ebeba yeso ni mo wu ahena 2019 ya ye mu bi isti for preka omukọ ye registration ye tu omofo menti no mo wie ye Elembele nipa 5,000 no mudi ni register ni muso no me register kitomo cars. If you kwanta nipa 3,000 no mudi ni register ni muso no me register.
Okay.
And yenyasa cases ni bebre. Enunti enene apart from NDC 8 other political parties and 46 civil society organizations. Krom has civil society organization pakpa bia iman DDT, Ghana Integrity Initiative, or Munina register, and many who as soon as possible.
All right.
It's simple, dear, many ameba, Omutia ye, because, and I may know, Kaze, and I for social moya Ganaka, I'm a Ghana for some instances, ya Ganaka, you know, baby, but feel to Ghana statistical service for some Baba, so some more kind Ghana Funina. And the same information on the easy for them. And the Obia can say, the biada amamre say ye register as a census we put ye sanso ye ganaka nti mo pepre mu ho akohe emre na aka ni so adana mu nya ntobose ye nwie ganaka di ye nwie census di ni nyina ye bo ho ka na ye fata information no feed into the new register mo pese mo ye na be wi kura na register na je nya nyina so papa ama na di mo ama ho ayede ate Ghana fo ya igusu sa ganaka la ye nsanwie ye wia Makache nze yensanso kosa census no so ho bia brewo ho ye bia wasa beka se mesa another liar who inconvenience here and we emre eni ho who inconvenience omo de beto yenso who sika say omo person omo stay no register ye omo si omo koyi sika isi mpanyifo ebeje agu omo botum as per diem nko a 280 billion cedis. Now, how near Mania Ghana who
and no some financial analysis we no more na matena sia ya na zede.
Financial analysis thing.
And the who can say 280 billion. Say we say figure no free.
No, it's analysis I wrong. No analysis. I know a fact. I send you I say no crowd and no. Two part is before budget no mo so mo dey new register mo dey come parliament. Only the making us send do be. Who will be so fine. Just check the allowances side, which I keep a DM for EC officials that I kind of saying 28 million Ghana cedis is equivalent to 280 billion cedis.
Okay.
Utie Oha Exi Ponkno Needs FM.